Hi guys! Today we're learning how to make highlights private on Facebook. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Now tap on your profile icon or profile picture. After tapping, your Facebook profile page will open where your posts, photos, and highlights are visible. This is the place where all your highlight settings can be managed. Next, scroll down a little until you see the Highlights section. Here you can open any highlight you want to manage. So, tap on one of your highlights to continue. Once the highlight opens, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. After tapping, different options related to your highlight settings will appear. This is where Facebook provides highlight management options. Now you may notice that the highlight is set to public or follows the original story audience. Facebook does not always provide a direct, fully private option for highlights. Because of that, many users choose to remove the highlight completely if they don't want others to see it anymore. Finally, tap on Delete Highlight. Then confirm it by tapping Delete or OK, and the highlight will be removed from your profile. After that, other people will no longer be able to view that highlight. And that's how you can manage Facebook highlights if you want to keep them hidden from others. Since Facebook doesn't always provide a complete private option for highlights, deleting them is usually the easiest solution. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.